loves, today we'll be doing an Amazon Nadula hair review. It comes in this pretty box, and then the hair comes in a bag, and it comes with the edge scarf, a cap, and a thank you card. So that's amazing. This hair has 150% density. It's super thick. This is a body wave texture. I love the way the waves look naturally. It's a U-part wig, so there's no lace and no need for glue. It comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side, and then combs in the back. So it has a lot of combs. It also comes with straps to adjust to your liking. So because the wig requires leave outs, I'm going to use this other wig, and I'm going to apply this wig on top of it. I know it sounds weird, but it's going to come all together at the end. So first thing first, you want to cut those strings in the lace so that if you are doing leave out, or if you're doing what I'm doing now, that it's not in the way of your hair. Honestly, don't like putting heat on my hair, so this is a great way to avoid that. So I'm just putting the hair into a bun and then putting my cap on, just like if I was wearing a wig, a lace front wig or whatever. So you just want to put your cap on, and then you want to clip it to the hair. Now, I didn't clip it good here. I'm just trying to figure out how I was going to clip it, because I literally did this just trying to figure out how I can do this review and make the hair look nice without having leave out. So yeah, I actually went back and fixed it. So here I showed you guys how I fixed it on the side. It looks very secured. I fixed it and make sure everything was nice and secure before I even went on. So you just want to brush or comb the hair that is quote unquote your leave out. Make sure you straighten it if you're natural, or curl it. Try to make the curls flow like the body wave hair, make it look natural, or you can end up curling all the hair or straightening all the hair over. I didn't want to do that because that's just doing too much, and I realized that my cap is showing. I will go and fix all that, so don't come for me, but yeah, we're just gonna curl this hair and try to make it look like the body wave. Ignore the bleach stain on my shirt. I honestly didn't notice it, and I'm kind of upset because I really love this burgundy turtleneck, and I had to put it in the trash because of the bleach stain, but it's cool. And we're just gonna continue curling and flattening and trying to make this look more natural. So this is the final look. I love the way it turned out. It looks so natural, and you can barely tell that it's 2 wigs put together. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and put your notification bell on so you don't miss out on this. I'll see you guys in my next video, and as always, remember to be beautiful and love yourself.